For over 20 million years, kangaroos have thrived in one of the harshest climates on Earth. They do this on limited grass, limited water, produce little or no methane, and don't use antibiotics. Kangaroos require about 5 kilos of grass to put on 1 kilo of red meat, while in the same paddock, sheep and cattle need about 20 kilos of grass just to do the same thing. So ProAgni asked, what if sheep and cattle could mimic kangaroos? The problem is food needs to be affordable, abundant, and have a smaller and more sustainable environmental footprint. How can farmers address key sustainability issues like antibiotic use and greenhouse gas emissions and not blow the economics of farming out of the water? ProAgni solutions have two distinct parts. First is our patent-pending probiotics. These directly influence microbial populations in the rumen. We have developed shelf-stable anaerobic probiotics. To explain, the market for probiotics has largely used aerobic bacteria. They're the ones that like oxygen. But over 95% of bacteria present in the rumen are anaerobic and rapidly die in the presence of oxygen. They are difficult to culture and shelf stabilise, so their use in in-feed additives is extremely limited. But the important species of bacteria for manipulating rumen function to improve output, decrease emissions and reduce the need for in-feed antibiotics are anaerobic. Our core commercial innovation has taken strict obligate anaerobes, cultivate them commercially, remove the need for cold chain storage and extend their shelf life and reduce the overall volume needed to get results. We've applied this to anaerobic bacteria that break down lactic acid in the rumen, allowing cattle to transition from pasture to a feedlot diet in 48 hours without acidosis. Other anaerobic bacteria can take methane produced by the animal and turn it into a food source for the animal. This can significantly decrease emissions, improve production efficiency and maintain animal health. Second is Protect, which is our prebiotic range of feed supplements. The innovative nature of these supplements has been recognised by the grant of a formulation patent. This product significantly improves animal health and production efficiency and eliminates the need for in-feed antibiotics, lowering farming's contribution to antimicrobial resistance. Our studies also show that liver abscess is effectively controlled with Protect, again without the use of antibiotics. It is disruptive technology that does not require behavioural change on farm. Farmers love it because it's a simple switch out. In the US alone, there are approximately 30 million cattle on feed, and our market is every single one of them. The Protect product is currently in market in Australia, has fed over 1 million animals and removed over 1,000 kilos of in-feed antibiotics. 3 of the 4 founders of ProAgni grew up farming and still live in those communities. Our commercial backgrounds are in animal nutrition, nuclear medicine, law, mergers and acquisitions and agricultural consultancy. In Australian dollars, we've raised $3.3 million, of which $750,000 was non-dilutive funds and $2.58 million was dilutive investment. Of the investment funds, about 60% was by way of convertible notes and about 40% in our recent small Series A. We are now looking for capital and commercial partners to support expansion into other markets and to continue our product development. And if we do our job right, we can provide a step change to the way we feed animals around the world that produces abundant, affordable food with a smaller and more sustainable environmental footprint. And we're only just getting started. Thank you.